Good morning, everybody. My name is Dave. This is the world's cheapest BMW e46, and today I'm wearing my work clothes. Now, do you know why I'm wearing my work clothes? Because you're gonna be working. Yes, you're right. Yes, you're right. Well, it is true. It's like in the word, but nonetheless, we are going to be taking off the bumper. And you know why we're going to be taking off the bumper? Because today, while I was out exploring the wild wilderness, look what I found. Oh my God. Is this for real? Did I just find this? Oh my God. Is this an E46 M3 bumper like 10 feet away from mine? Who put this here? Why is it here? And it's new. I'm taking this. Now, of course, that's just a joke, guys. I didn't find a bumper. I bought this bumper, but not the point. Not the point. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try and attempt to take off the bumper. I have no clue how to take off a bumper, and we're going to try and fit this M3 bumper and see if it fits correctly or not. Other than that, you might know one of our old stars on the channel is going to be coming today to help us out with the fenders. So until then, let's try to take out the fender and put in the M3 fender. And also, make sure to follow me on Instagram because all the updates, all the new things I buy, and I buy a lot of them because I'm an idiot who spends a lot of money on cars. I put them all up on Instagram. So links in the bio. Make sure to follow me so that you won't miss a thing. And let's try to take off my bumper. Well, hopefully it won't fall over my head. That's one out. So, clearly I do not know what I'm doing because I don't know what the fuck I should unbolt to take this bumper off.
I took off the wiring, I took off every bolt I could find underneath, but I don't know where to go next. So, I'm gonna do some research, and guys, just a disclaimer, please, do not try to attempt what I'm doing. I'm just doing this for entertainment. This is a very cheap car, which I wouldn't mind if it got damaged or totaled or I couldn't fix it back. But don't try to do what I'm doing because this might be dangerous and I don't even know about it. The car might just fall on my head because of the method that I'm using to lift it up, for example, and I would not know about it. So please, do not attempt to do what I'm doing unless you're a professional and an expert or you know what you're doing. Like, don't do what I'm doing, you know? You get it? Get it? You know? Alright.
So, yeah, don't try this by yourself, and if you do, you're just an idiot like me. Let me do some research. Updates. I have no clue how to take this bumper off. Like, seriously, the videos that I saw on YouTube, they were like just smashing them. Did you see what they did? Did you just see that? He took a hammer to the bumper, and the other guy was just cutting it. I don't know. Well, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't want to destroy this bumper. I want to keep this bumper or sell this bumper, and I don't want to destroy it with a hammer or even take a cutter to it. So, I think I'm gonna wait on Vartan to come, or I'm gonna start taking off the headlights if I don't find anything soon. I don't know, like, I'm lost at this point. I don't know what I'm doing. And yeah, I'll keep you updated. So a few quick updates. First of all, we took off the light. Now, to whomever worked on this car before me, I swear to God, I hope you burn in hell. Like, I'm starting to understand why I got to buy this car for so cheap. Like, the loose wires that were just hanging, the live wires that were just connecting to each other. I'm surprised this car hasn't gone up in flames by now. And
look at this mess. There are like 20 different wires who are connected to nothing, and wires that are just fixed. Like, take a look at this. Take a look at this. You see this? car hasn't burned down in flames while I was driving it or something. I don't know, I have to sort all of these cables up because this is dangerous. Like, this is a potential fire hazard right here. And I don't know what cables for, why are those cables here, where do they go, what do they do? I just know that they're there. Like, this cable right here just comes up and goes there. And I don't know where it disappears from there. I have no idea. This headlight, you can't take it off. If you take it off like this one, if you want to take it off like this one, you'll need to cut the wires. And I don't know what wires those are. So, yeah. I'll keep you posted, guys.
So, updates. I tried to take it off, it didn't work. What I did is, I took off the headlights of the car, and guess who we have back on the motherfucking channel? Can you see him? Here he is. There he is. I brought him all the way from fucking Beirut so that we can work on the car together.
Oh my god, I'm gonna kill you.
He just got here yesterday and he came wearing white to work on the car. If that doesn't tell you he's an idiot, I don't know what does. And we still don't know how to take out the bumper. So here's a montage of us being idiots.